The Kia Telluride made waves when it debuted in 2020, and now it's shaking the auto market up again with its 2026 model year. This second-generation Telluride comes with loads of exciting changes to its interior, exterior, and even its powertrain lineup with a new hybrid option. Keep watching till the end of this video to see how the all-new 2026 Kia Telluride disrupts the auto market. Powertrain. Here's one thing we can say for certain. All the hype you've heard about this new Kia Telluride is completely justified. That's because the changes in the 2026 model aren't just aesthetic in nature, but also affect the vehicle's overall performance. Many car buyers will be happy to know that Kia now offers a hybrid powertrain option for the Telluride. That one consists of a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor to produce an impressive 334 horsepower. Don't worry though, despite this pivotal lean towards electrification, Kia still offers the Telluride with a gas-only powertrain option. The South Korean carmaker has decided to drop the previous V6 engine in favor of something that offers better fuel efficiency without sacrificing much power. To that end, they've chosen a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine as the new standard powertrain. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, you can expect to get 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque out of this powertrain. So whether you're all about the traditional gas-only powertrains or prefer leaning towards electrification, the 2026 Kia Telluride has got what you're looking for. Fuel efficiency. With new powertrains comes new fuel efficiency numbers, and we find that the 2026 Kia Telluride still produces some pretty competitive figures. For starters, you can expect 26 miles per gallon from the new 2.5-liter gas-only engine, which is a couple notches higher than the previous one. Naturally, the new hybrid powertrain offers better mileage at 30 miles per gallon, taking you further on less gas. Regardless of the powertrain or trim level though, the Kia Telluride features a 19-gallon fuel tank on board. If we put some simple numbers together, that means you can expect to go just under 500 miles on a full tank with the gas-only powertrain. Meanwhile, you could squeeze just about 600 miles out of a full tank of gas driving the hybrid Kia Telluride. Overall, the bottom line is simple. With a full tank of gas and the open road ahead of you, you could drive for longer with fewer gas station stops. Towing. While there's plenty of changes going around the new 2026 Kia Telluride, one thing remains the same. This 3-row family hauler still has plenty of towing muscle underneath its stylish exterior. As you drive your family around town or cross-country on holiday, you can tow as much as a massive 5,000 pounds behind it. Now that's enough to tow anything from a mid-sized trailer to a boat for your leisurely activities, making your next getaway much more exciting. Of course, you can also tow a utility trailer loaded with your gear or supplies if you're using your Telluride for work purposes. If you need a little extra towing capacity, consider getting one of the trims with the X Pro package. Doing that will bump your towing capacity up quite a bit to 5,500 pounds instead. Forget about trims and packages for now though, because we'll take a deep dive into all of them later in the video. Off-roading. Aside from its impressive towing capacity, the 2026 Kia Telluride also maintains its exciting off-road capabilities. This is yet another area where the Telluride proves that it's not all just about having a flashy exterior. The car can also handle challenging obstacles in unpaved environments, so you can get it muddy without any fear. For starters, the car stands 8 inches off the ground, with a 17-degree approach angle and a 22.4 departure angle. Meanwhile, all trims come standard with a front emergency tow hook attachment point, so you can tow someone out of a tough spot or have someone rescue you if need be. Earlier, you heard us briefly talk about packages. Well, the X-Line and X-Pro packages for the Kia Telluride offer a little extra in the off-roading department too. With both of these packages, you'll get an improved 17.9-degree approach angle and 23.2-degree departure angle to help you navigate those extra challenging obstacles. With all that said, let's take a closer look at the trims and packages for the 2026 Kia Telluride. Trims and packages. Some car models have straightforward and easy-to-understand trim levels. Well, the 2026 Kia Telluride isn't exactly one of those, so let us break it all down for you. At first glance, the Kia Telluride comes in 10 different varieties. More specifically, there are 4 main trim levels, plus those with added packages. Everything starts with the LX trim, which serves as the base model. This one gives you all the essential features of the Telluride without making you feel like you're missing out on anything. Instead, what you'll get is a solid set of standard features like Syntex trimmed seats, Kia's brand of synthetic leather upholstery. The S trim builds upon everything you get with the LX, adding a few added amenities like bigger 20-inch wheels and roof rails, among others. From there, the EX trim is where things start to get a bit more luxurious, with things like real leather upholstery and captain's chairs in the second row. In simpler terms, the EX trim is the middle ground between value for money and luxury. But of course, there's the SX trim, which is premium all around. Terracotta leather seats, Harman Kardon premium audio, and so much more. On top of those trim levels, you can choose a 2026 Kia Telluride with some combination of the X-Line, X-Pro, and Prestige packages, some of which you heard about earlier. The X-Line package adds a touch of ruggedness to the car with an exclusive grille, raised roof rails, and an overall more all-weather nature. Meanwhile, the X-Pro package offers more off-roading and towing capability, as you saw earlier, plus heavy-duty cooling and a neat little power outlet in the cargo area. Lastly, the Prestige package pushes luxury over the top with Napa leather upholstery and other premium finishes. Overall, the 2026 Kia Telluride is a rugged, capable, and upscale vehicle. And no matter which one of these three qualities you prioritize above the rest, you can find a trim level and package that fits you perfectly. Exterior. So far, we've taken an in-depth look at all the disruptive new capabilities of the 2026 Kia Telluride. Now let's talk about its aesthetics. The Telluride's exterior is the most obvious expression of its redesign, and it's the first one that most people will notice. The car's exterior has been refreshed, though it remains rugged and stylish, just as expected. When we view it from the right angles, we can see that it's somewhat boxier than before, creating an even more muscular silhouette compared to the previous model year. Of course, the vehicle's front features Kia's unmistakable tiger nose grille, though it's now significantly wider and more aggressive, and complemented on both sides with redesigned LED headlights. Elsewhere on the vehicle, you'll notice features like badges that represent the specific trim level and package you might have. So don't worry if no one realizes you're driving one with the X-Line or X-Pro package, because the badge will say so on the back. Interior. Climb inside the 2026 Kia Telluride and you'll see that the interior has plenty of upgrades too. The centerpiece of it all consists of the infotainment and instrument displays at the front, which are now larger and much more pleasing to the eyes. As the standard, you'll get a 5-inch instrument display beside a 14-inch touch-sensitive infotainment display. But just like the previous model year, you do have the option of getting a dual panoramic display instead. That's right. That means both the instrument and infotainment displays will form one big, beautiful panoramic screen that measures approximately 28 inches in total. Not only is the interface intuitive and smooth, but even just the sight of that massive combined display is mind-blowing in itself. Of course, the interior isn't all about screens. The Kia Telluride maintains its award-winning status when it comes to keeping occupants safe, thanks to its 20 standard driver assistance features. That includes all the ones you'd expect like automatic emergency braking, pedestrian warning, and so much more. Throughout the cabin, you'll have plenty of head, shoulder, and legroom to keep everyone comfortable. That's as true in the front as it is in the back, so you don't have to worry about complaints during long road trips. Over in the back, the Telluride offers a minimum cargo space of 21 cubic feet, though you can free up to 87 cubic feet by folding the rear seats down. Fitting large items like furniture in there is quite possible, though it might take some effort. And for everything else from luggage to golf bags, you're golden. Price. So many good trims and so many great extra packages to choose from. Here's how much they'll set you back. The base LX trim starts at $38,390, and in our eyes, that's good enough to keep most car buyers happy. It packs plenty of value, and you can rest assured that you won't feel like you're missing out on the Kia Telluride experience. Alternatively, the highest SX trim without any packages starts at $48,190 instead. Perfect if you want the more plush amenities to go along with your Telluride. Now suppose you want to go all out and get the highest, fanciest trim with its available packages. In that case, you're looking at the SX Prestige X Pro, which will set you back $55,685.